Hello.
If we want to bring robots into our home, into our hospitals, into our factories, into our daily lives, there are three things that are most important. Data, data, and data. Data is a big bottleneck, but it's still very important. And right now I'm here in Beijing at the World Robotics Conference at the booth of one company that has a really special approach to data. It's called DexForce. They are from Shenzhen. It's a company I have visited a lot of times, and today I want to show you how they tackle this problem. Here with me is Beiyu. Beiyu, thanks for the invitation.
Hi.
Tell us a little bit about when was DexForce founded?
We founded in 2021 and specialized in body AI humanoid robots.
Yeah, and this is one of your humanoids, and your founder is one of the top 2% scientists in whole China in this robotics field. So what is his specialty?
He specialized in body AI and 3D perception, data collection, and we also have 300 members in our company now. About 60% of them are R&D members.
Yeah, this is what I saw in Shenzhen, that 60% of their staff are actually engineers, right? And they work in the research and development. That is why they are strong. We will see a lot of robots in the future in the service industry, and this robot from DexForce is already collecting a lot of data. He can use the ice cream machine and also the popcorn. So I'm very sure that this robot we will see in the future in a lot of scenarios in real life. So here we go. That's fresh ice cream I got from the robot right here, and it looks perfect, right? The way you train it is so different to other companies. Most companies, they will have human beings who repeat one task for 10,000 of hours so they get the data. But you have the Matrix, which is your training simulation system, right?
Yes,
Can you
yes.
tell us a little bit about it?
Yeah, actually we integrated software to hardware into a product Matrix, and that means we, from the robotic brain and to the robot body, we can integrate it at all. This demo we already scalable and repeatable landed, so that means you can see our robots is actually in working. As Thomas said before, we collect data, need training a skill, and it need months. Now we use our own self-developed simulation AI engine. That means training our robots with the synthetic data that can deploy in only hours.
This is crazy, and this is the China speed I'm talking about all the time, is that they will shorten the time for training the robot with the simulation software.
So you can see here it's a generative simulation user interface, and it's basically based on the DexForce physics engine developed by DexForce here. And you can input your scene description here. The engine will generate 3D assets accordingly.
Okay, so here we can see now the task we gave it, put the cans upright, it's doing it right now, which is crazy. So you don't need to train them in real life. With this simulation user interface, you can train it once, and then it knows in the future how to put up all the bottles, right?
Yes.
As Bayu said, it's already deployed in a lot of use case scenarios. You have a lot of customers who use it, in this setting, like in shop. But what I'm also very interested in, industrial scenarios, right?
Yes. Let us see.
Let's go and have a look. What we see here is the robotics version of AlphaGo. We all know this super brain who plays chess with all the world masters, and here we have the DexForce version of this robot who's playing Chinese chess with other people. Whenever you are lonely, he will be here for you to play a game of Chinese chess with you.
How we develop this demo is because we want to show our robots' long-term operation capability.
So actually this is not for just playing. What you can see here is the very strong vision model, as you said, the long-term operation, right? So I think for industrial use cases this is really important. It should be fast, it should be reliable, and it should be precise. Don't just treat this as a game of Chinese chess. This is actually could be an industrial use case. What we can see here is the demonstration of the brain of the DexForce robot. This robot actually can work in a retail store, so we can see the brain is so smart. It doesn't have to know all the SKUs in one shop or a factory. It just can take it by themselves, scan the barcode, so you don't have to put all the data of the SKU inside. We have different forms of packaging, and it can grip the bottles, it can grip the bag. The both arms cooperate with each other and can do the automatic checkout for 24 hours. And they are also very friendly to you.
Actually, for this demo, we want to showcase our zero-shot generalization capability. No matter it's tilted or it's knocked down, it can always pick it up.
For the factory, we actually also have a use case right here. Let me show it. So we have two robots working here on a production line, can be packed, can be unpacked.
For this demo, assembly and inspection product line, FOV is more large and the grasping weight is more flexible.
The flexibility is seen. Today it can do this job, but then you can move it and it can do another job. Why you need humanoids in a production, because if you just have the cobots, you need to redesign the whole factory and the whole space. But these robots are very flexible and you can easily move them from one place to another.
Yes, also some dangerous or some very boring stuff can let our humanoid robots do.
I'm very sure that humanoids will not be here to replace human beings, but to do the work no humans should do. For example, very dangerous places, very boring, tough, repetitive tasks. And this is not the future. This is already reality, because the robots of Dexforce, they are already collecting data, they are already working, and they are already doing services and doing real work in real factories, in supermarkets, in shopping malls. So next time you come to China, you can have a look at the shopping mall, at the factory, and also soon we will see them all over Europe and the rest of the world. Thank you so much, Bayeux.
Hello.